Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. One of the best discussion about this sitemap updation and add in your website. So major one is called two issues. So how we can upload for the unlimited limited XML sitemaps. So limited will be given by the 500 that is xml-sitemap.com. One more website is there. They're providing for unlimited websites. That is the sitemaps. So the website is called here. I'm opening the website. See the website here. Free unlimited page will be downloaded here. So check the website here and in this posting, select your first of all, what are the modification you can done in the previous and what are the page priority and what are the frequency will changing for previously. They give the enable. This will be last will be always. Start this option will be complete will taking for 1 minute to 2 minutes time. You have to wait for 1 minute to 2 minutes of time to download this one. In this download option, we can action will be followed by your particular website cPanel option. Before that, you can log in for your XML sitemap to upload purpose, log in for cPanel. I'm logging for cPanel here. Just wait for the second. I'm logging cPanel here. What are the sitemap you download? Just click for the download the file. The file was downloaded here. Just we can go ahead and click the file manager public underscore HTML. Here, where is the XML sitemap file? Here, just we can remove the old file, update the new file option, where you can use the download option. Here we'll be using for sitemap. After this one, I'm updating where your particular website. How to check after this one, sitemap.xml option. Here, what are the changes you will done? The immediate update from your particular website. So where is updating for today date will be done by your particular application. So these are all kind of modification your particular website to update the sitemap. Once you update the website your sitemap, immediately you can update by your Google Search Console option where sitemap first exists one you can select it. Here we can first of all remove it in your website and your particular option. Both are you can remove it. So here will be adding this one and click for submit. The immediate reaction will be done by your particular website, the sitemap. So what are the index? You are reach for 500. Go this website will be unlimited page purpose. check-domains.com/sitemap/index.php. And if you're running one more website, in running for same website, not possible. At a time, you can one browser or another browser, they're running for only for one website at a time, all browsers. In your system, if you're running for one website, all browser will be capture your particular website. That is your IP address will be cookie will be copy your IP address. So keep it in mind. If you download the limited pages, xml-sitemap.com. If you download for unlimited pages, we can use option name is called check-domains.com/sitemap/index.php option. First, you can upload the website. Immediately, you can check from here from the Google Webmaster checking purpose after .com sitemap.xml. Follow this condition to any website will be checked. Any website you can check after .com sitemap.xml. This follow the guidelines to update the your XML sitemap on your particular website. Any website, if you're already there, just you can extension sitemap.xml. This is a policy we can follow the guidelines and submit the XML sitemap. When update, will we give the particular crawl. The sitemap mainly focused by the crawl your website on search engine purpose. Don't forget the particular option. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel, Digital Rakesh.